Traditional LED billboards consume too much power and drive operating costs sky high.
Boss. On top of that, excessive heat means higher power loss and more failures, hidden maintenance costs.
Jake, we received more clients complain about poor display quality recently. Advertising slots are getting harder to sell.
Relax, guys. QSTECH EG56 outdoor LED is built to solve all the pain points of the traditional one. Jake, take a look. Each standard cabinet has independent temperature and humidity sensor chips connected to a real-time monitoring platform.
Wow. My biggest worry is unauthorized content, especially sensitive material is projected on the screen by someone.
No worries. The system includes built-in content risk control. Sensitive content are blocked instantly.
Good. Maintenance could be easier, but customers care most about image quality. Can this billboard be really seen clear under the strong sunlight?
Don't worry, boss. EG56 has 7,680 Hz ultra-high refresh rate with 16-bit color depth. Just one look will make the customers change their minds. What's more, EG56 uses the ultra-dense LEDs and delivers exceptional contrast. Also, the high-mass design reduces stray light by over 30%. With up to 15,000 nits max brightness, images are perfect even when shooting directly facing the sun. It is not only visually impressive, but built to last. Dual IP66 rated protection certified to national standards. It can withstand different extreme weathers such as heavy rain, sandstorms, extreme heat, and salt spray. With real-time monitoring function, fault codes are pushed directly to your phone. No guess needed anymore. And if maintenance is ever needed, watch this. Front access 10-second quick repair. Replace the power box in just 20 seconds.
That's great. We used to spend lots of times on repairing power box. Now it can be done in few minutes, and the calibration data restores automatically.
What's more, it has different cabinet sizes and pixel pitch to meet more size customization and scenarios. Easy splicing like Lego.
Daytime performance sounds great, but what about nighttime use?
Don't worry. Thanks to static refresh technology, even at 3% low brightness, the display maintains a stable 1000 Hz effective refresh rate.
Sounds good, but what about electricity costs?
That's also what I want to tell you. Under the sleep mode, the power consumption is only 8 watts. Combined with lower maintenance and operating costs, total expenses drop by 50%.
50%? With this ROI, the earlier you invest, the sooner you profit.
Beyond that, QSTECH Optoelectronics caters to various application scenarios. Building facades, 67% transparency for crystal clear visuals, creative shapes, curves, and corners freely customized. Sports solution, redundant power and signal design, unlimited refresh rate, no scan lines, designed for protecting players' safety. Transportation solutions, IP66 protection with ultra-high pixel density. Digital billboards, all green energy efficiency with cloud-based smart O&M. So far, QSTECH has exported to over 140 countries with 20,000 application cases. QSTECH outdoor display, worry-free, cost-effective, and more brilliant.